Today we're going to explore the best cleaning tools to make life easier for seniors and anyone with limited mobility. Did you know that nearly 50% of seniors experience difficulty with daily cleaning tasks due to limited mobility? That's nearly half our older loved ones experiencing difficulty keeping their homes tidy. But it doesn't have to be this way. Today we're going to explore the best cleaning tools to make life easier for seniors and anyone with limited mobility. Firstly, I'd just like to thank all our new subscribers and those that left comments on our video. Game-changing cleaning hacks for seniors and everyone. The video was very well received, so thank you so much for your responses. Here are a couple of quick, interesting cleaning hacks from the comment section. The first tip is a laundry hack from a subscriber that uses a dishwashing tablet to keep whites and colours brighter when washing unseparated laundry. After looking around, I found that there are many people that do use this hack. We've never used this particular tip. However, if you have used or are thinking of using this tip, please let us know your results in the comments section below. The next tip is a pet hair hack from a subscriber that uses a damp sponge to remove pet hair from furniture and finds that this method works better than a lint roller. So if you haven't tried this one, maybe give it a try and let us know in the comments section how effective it was for you. So now, let's jump into our cleaning tools. We think these cleaning tools are game changers for seniors or anyone with limited mobility. First up, we have automatic spray bottles. These are battery operated or rechargeable devices that release cleaning solutions with just the press of a button, eliminating the need to repeatedly squeeze a trigger. This design makes them especially effective for seniors or people with limited mobility because they require far less hand strength and dexterity, reducing the strain on the fingers, wrists and hands. For those who have arthritis, joint pain or limited range of motion, automatic spray bottles offer a much easier and more comfortable way to apply cleaning solutions. Now let's talk about spray mops. A spray mop is a cleaning tool that combines a mop with a built-in spray mechanism, allowing users to dispense cleaning solution directly onto the floor by pressing a button on the handle. This eliminates the need for heavy buckets of water and reduces the amount of bending or lifting required during mopping. For seniors or people with limited mobility, spray mops are more effective because they are lightweight and easy to maneuver. Spray mops with a trigger grip are the cheapest type. However, they may not be suitable for everyone due to the strain on the fingers, wrists and hands, but are a great option for speed cleaning. My choice of spray mop, and the one I think is the best choice based on price, availability and user-friendly operation, is a battery operated spray mop. They have a button press function which is especially beneficial for those with arthritis, joint pain or limited hand strength, as it reduces the need for repetitive trigger squeezing or gripping. The prices are very reasonable and they can be picked up from local supermarkets such as Asda and Tesco in the UK, or Walmart, Lowe's or Home Depot in the USA.
Just push the button. She lets the solution out. It is quite light. It does have a slim profile. Good to get on the furniture.
And lastly, in my opinion, the least effective spray mop is the cordless type. They are somewhat expensive and more of a luxury item. They have built-in rechargeable battery which makes them heavier than the previous models and therefore harder to lift and maneuver. However, If the cordless type is your choice, they can be purchased from all the previous locations I've mentioned for the other spray mop types. Spin scrubbers are motorized cleaning tools with a rotating brush head that effectively scrubs surfaces with minimal effort from the user. They come with several interchangeable heads for a variety of home cleaning tasks and also have a few switchable levels of scrubbing power. For seniors or people with limited mobility, a spin scrubber is highly effective because it has an extendable handle and reduces the need for vigorous scrubbing, bending or reaching, making home cleaning tasks much easier and less physically demanding. Spin scrubbers are ideal for cleaning bathtubs, tiles, showers and grout lights, as their powerful rotating brushes can tackle soap scum, mildew and dirt with ease. Their long handles allow for cleaning floors, walls and high or low surfaces without straining or stretching. Prices are reasonable and they can be picked up from local supermarkets in the UK, as well as the previously mentioned stores and online in the USA. A stick vacuum cleaner is a lightweight, compact vacuum designed for easy maneuverability and quick cleaning tasks. For seniors or people with limited mobility, a stick vacuum is highly effective because it is much lighter and easier to handle than traditional vacuums, reducing strain on the back, arms and joints. These vacuums are typically cordless, eliminating the hassle of dealing with tangled cords or tripping hazards. They are slim and easy to store, making them convenient for quick cleanups on various surfaces like hardwood floors, carpets and rugs. There are so many models on the market, including some lightweight upright vacuums. However, you must be mindful of quality. The prices are reasonable and they can be picked up from local supermarkets in the UK and all the previously mentioned outlets in the USA. And finally, ergonomic cleaning supplies. These are tools designed with user comfort and ease in mind, featuring shapes, sizes and grips that reduce strain on the body during use. For seniors or people with limited mobility, ergonomic cleaning supplies are highly effective because they help minimize discomfort and fatigue in the hands, wrists and arms. Items like mops with adjustable handles, lightweight dusters and brushes with soft, non-slip grips make cleaning more manageable by requiring less effort and reducing the risk of injury. These tools are often designed to support a natural posture, making it easier to perform cleaning tasks without bending, stretching or overexerting. Adjustable handle and other lightweight cleaning items are widely available from all local supermarkets and are very cheap to buy. So there you have it, our picks of cleaning tools for seniors or anyone with limited mobility. Remember, keeping a clean home shouldn't come at the cost of your comfort or safety. With the right tools, you can maintain your independence and keep your living space looking great. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on making daily living easier. Don't forget to drop a comment below, sharing your favourite cleaning tool or any tips you have for making cleaning easier. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching.